Similarity in terms of attitudes, values, and beliefs, as well as shared interests and activities may be the basis for forming friendships.
Yes, they have more opportunities to form friendships with similar people. An example of this is being in the same neighborhood. They might have similarity in terms of socioeconomic status or ethnicity.
Yes, and maybe another example are children who meet their peers at school and are likely to have a similar educational status, achievement level, and educational goals. Kaya hindi lang po sila at the same level in many areas, but also may pagkapare-pareho rin po pala sila ng hilig. Naalala ko po tuloy nung childhood ko, ang hilig naming mga magkakaibigan ay playing patintero, tumbang preso, jolens, and we also love to join different acting workshops po sa school, Kasani.
Nakarelate ako sa sinabi mo dahil nung panahon naman namin ang nagiging magkaibigan ay ganyan din. Pare-pareho ng gustong laro. Nag-uumpisa sa habulan, pagkatapos ay natutunan ng mag-basketball. Dumating ang time na nauso yung paglalaro ng Atari and Family Computer. Kaya yung iba ay napagkasunduan na pumunta sa bahay ng mga kaibigan nila para doon maglaro.
Hindi ako, Kasani, hindi ko na po yata inabot yung Atari po at Family Computer, Kasani.
Parang kasasabi mo lang, kapatid Benice, na ang hilig mo at yung mga kaibigan mo ay Game & Watch.